In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange files in SharePoint. Whether you're organizing files for a team project or simply tidying up your personal folders, understanding how to efficiently move files around in SharePoint can save you a lot of time and hassle. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and type Microsoft SharePoint into the search bar. Once you find the official site, go ahead and click on it. Now you'll need to sign in. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, there's a chance you'll be automatically logged in. If not, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you're using your correct Microsoft account credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you're signed in, navigate to the specific SharePoint site you're interested in. This is the place where your files are stored and where you'll be making your rearrangements. Next, within your site, locate the list or library of files you want to work with. SharePoint provides a variety of ways you can view your files, so click on the View options to select one that makes sense for your task at hand. Now, before you can start moving files around, you want to ensure that your list is set up to allow manual sorting. Head over to the Sort section and make sure the Sort column is set to None. This will let you freely drag and drop items as needed, without automatically resorting based on a specific column. With that setting adjusted, go back to your list. You'll notice that as you hover over an item, two lines and a hand icon appear. This is your cue that the item is ready to be relocated. Simply click and hold the item, then drag it over to its new position. Once it's where you want it, release the mouse button, and a notification will appear confirming that the item has been moved. If you're working with several items and need to move them together, you can select multiple files. This allows you to drag and drop groups of items simultaneously, which can be especially helpful for larger rearrangements. Finally, after you've organized your files to your satisfaction, don't forget to save the view. This action ensures your changes are kept and visible the next time you access the site. Saving your view will lock in your new file arrangement, making it easier to pick up where you left off when you return. And that's it. Those are the steps you need to take to rearrange files in SharePoint efficiently. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore the different features SharePoint offers to really tailor your workspace to your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.